Dapat matutunan nila sa atin yun.
Mm.
Diba? Ay, mahirap yun gawin, syempre.
Mm.
Non-confrontational nga yung Pinoy. We don't like talking about sensitive topics to our children.
Mm.
Pero kung hindi natin gawin yun, sino gagawa doon?
Tama.
Yeah, YouTube. Teacher nila. Dapat tayo.
Yeah. Sabi ko nga sa isang vlog ko, parang government knows best ang approach sa mangyayari. Kumbaga parang ang gobyerno magpe-parent sa sa mga natin. Diba?
Ginawa ko yun actually. Siyempre, I talk about it. So, ginawa ko din sa kids ko. I sat my 2 eldest daughters kasi I have 4 girls, 1 boy. So, yung 2 eldest girls ko, since they're older na, we talked about premarital sex and all these things kasi I want them to learn from me and my wife. Medyo awkward.
Right.
Pero at least narinig nila sa akin what is right and what is wrong.
Paano yun? Paano mo ginagawa? Kasi yung mga magulang, sabi mo, confrontational ang culture natin, mga Pilipino, mahiyain.
Mahirap talaga.
Timid. So, paano yun sa mga magulang?
Kailangan may time kayo with them. So, set a time. Tell them, we're going to talk about something serious. So, sit them down or sabihin mo, you can ask any question. Baka maging awkward tayo, pero we have to talk about this. Tapos sabihin mo lang, ano yung your stand on these issues, what is right, what is wrong.
Yeah.
But they'll appreciate it.